When we finished the first phase of construction on this room a year ago, we knew we would have to revisit some of the furniture choices. In particular, these nightstands never really matched the clean aesthetic we were going for, and we have a lot of needs in this department, including the ability to charge a lot of different devices, the place to put lamps, candles, eyeglasses, and so on. And so I always knew I would come back and rebuild something custom to fit this space. And what I decided to do was build something that actually hangs on the wall by a French cleat, and have a matching stand on each side. So first thing I had to do was go get some poplar. Since I was going to paint these nightstands, poplar is, a perfectly good choice. I'm working in my summer workshop here, and as I sort of started to break down this poplar, I cut it into kind of rough lengths first, and then started trimming everything to rough widths. And after that, I just started breaking down the wood into all of the pieces that I was going to need, including building the French cleat. The doors are on the bottom half of the nightstand are some made out of some acrylic, some plastic that I got off of some sheets that I got off of Amazon. I was able to machine those fairly well with a table saw and a drill press, and I'll put a link to the plastic that I used, but you can see the little tracks here that I cut. Those are just a single blade length cut in the poplar on the top and bottom shelf of the bottom section, and then here I am, cutting the doors to size on the table saw, and that actually worked out really, really well. They're a sort of semi-translucent white color, which I think works really well in the finished product. After that, I used my Festool Domino cutter to basically create a tenon for every section of the table, and then clamped it up and glued it all together. Then I painted it and installed it on the wall. So I'll let you watch the rest of the process here, and hopefully gives you some inspiration as well.